Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. My outfit for today. I love this dress, guys. Ayan. It's 8 years na to siya, guys. 8 years ko na siyang ano, nakatago. Hi, everyone. I'm waiting for my friend. Waiting for my friend, guys. Hello there. I hope you will subscribe also my channel, guys. Please do support my channel. Watch my videos. Hi. I'm not feeling well today, guys. I have a dry cough. I hope you will subscribe my channel, guys. Please do subscribe my channel. Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. I'm waiting for my friend. Hello there. Hola, hola, everyone. My outfit for today. I really love it. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. My sample beauty. My outfit for today. Bye, everyone. I hope you will watch my videos, guys. Subscribe my channel. So subscribe my channel, guys. My my outfit for today, it's a very nice. I love the dress, guys. Ayan.